Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,749.95, with softer US retail sales reducing expectations for near-term Federal Reserve tightening. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 gained 0.04%, while Germany's DAX was 0.02% higher. In the US, the Nasdaq closed out the week lower at 26,729.16, while the S&P 500 declined to 7,785.76. In company news, defence investment group Defence Holdings committed £2 million to a new UK defence technology fund. Recruitment specialist Gattaca reported growth in profit and net fee income as contract hiring supported its full-year performance. Against sterling, the US dollar and Japanese yen strengthened marginally, the Swiss franc weakened, while the euro and Australian dollar were unchanged. Bitcoin edged higher. In commodities, copper and gold moved higher, while Brent crude and natural gas declined. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Monday.